So today I decided to do another sit down story time to share with you my experience buying at Louis Vuitton for the first time. Um, to share some background with you that I don't really usually spend so much money on buying bags. I mean, I have spent similar amount in buying cameras before, but to buy a bag in that range of price is not what I usually do. But since I started to get into buying and collecting bags, my family has been really supportive and they want to get me and my first LV bags, and I'm extremely grateful about it. And I say I'll think about it, and I thought maybe sometimes when I go to the store to look at the bags and just to make sure I like what I'm going to buy. So a couple of times when I travel, I think I was in Dallas and then I was in San Diego. When you travel, you don't dress up like, you just t-shirt and jeans, and sneakers. And to be honest, I couldn't get into the store. Like, the host look at me, just tell me they were busy, and I'm not sure about if they were really busy, because when I look at the store, sometimes they have more employees than customers inside. So, but who knows, right? And then the third time, I wasn't planning to go, but I was hanging out with my friend, and my friend, she loved buying luxury stuff. So she said, "Oh, I want to go check out a few stuff at Louis Vuitton." So we went there, and at first they were telling us that, oh, their schedule is full as usual. But I'm not sure that it has anything to do with how my friends dress, because when she goes out, she dresses up like $1,000,000. Like, she has her Cartier's bracelet and she has her LV bags with her. So while we were about to walk away, they call us and say, "Oh, we actually have spots open. Do you guys still want to come in to take a look?" So we went in and we look around. I saw a bag that I like, and we had a good time there. And the SA was really friendly, and he gave us his cards and all that. So I thought, okay, that's fine, And then I've been looking online and getting review on like which bag I really want. I have considered getting the ONTHEGO GM, MM, and then I was also looking at their Christopher tote, their Aerogram tote. But at the end, I decided to go with this one that I want to show you today. So recently I've heard about the price increase at Louis Vuitton from a heated mess. If you are not familiar with her, she has a great channel that talk about luxury goods and LV bags and stuff. So since I thought that I was going to get it, and I decided, since now they start to increase prices, so I thought, okay, I'll just go ahead and get it. But it was actually a challenging experience. When you call their numbers, their store numbers, it actually wasn't their store numbers, and you would wait on the phone for 10 to 15 minutes at least, and you may not even hear anything from anyone. And then when you learn that you can schedule appointment online, but when you go online, I think to schedule an appointment is like at least a month out. It just say not available at the moment. So then I remember that I got the card from the SA the other day when I was with my friends. So So I texted him, no reply, and then I tried to call him, also no reply. So, but later on I learned that, you know, people come and go fast at Louis Vuitton, so apparently he's not working there anymore. So since I couldn't reach out to anyone and I didn't want to go to the store and then, you know, they just tell you, sorry, you can't come in and all that. It just isn't a great feeling. So I decided to just order online since it was in stock. So I decided to order online and then get picked up at the store. It was shipped to the store pretty fast. I think it only took like 2-3 days, even over the weekend. And they would text you and email you when your bag is ready to pick up. So again, I went to the store and I don't know what do you call the person in front of the store that managing the scheduling, but people who manage scheduling up at the storefront, they are really kind of a pain to deal with. Like a lot of time, they just tell you how unavailable they are and not in the most friendly way. So I told her, you know, I'm going to come pick up my order, and she asked me if I plan to look at the stuff or just pick up and go. I say depends on how busy you guys are. And she said, if you want to look at stuff, and the wait will be an hour long. So at that point, I just want to pick out and go. Like I did not want to look at stuff and have to wait for an hour to get in. So she got me an SA to help me pick up my order, and so this is what I got at the store, what I picked up today. And after I got in, you know, the SA was very helpful, very sweet and nice, and really took care of me, you know. So that's the thing, like with Louis Vuitton, it's really hard to get in. Like before you get through the door, they're really not so nice to you. But once you get in, the service is always top notch inside. So today I pick up these bags and I want to share with you my experience, and hopefully you learn something if this is your first time also, or you plan to buy your first Louis Vuitton bag, and so that you don't run into situation that, you know, I ran into. So let's look at what's in the box. So originally it wasn't in this big box. It was in another smaller box. But by the time we are done and leaving, and she realized that they don't have big enough bag for the box. So she just switched it to this bigger box, which is fine. It's cool, but I'll have to find a place to store it. So let's look at what's in the box. She was really nice. She gave me this magazine that they made. I haven't looked at it yet, but it could be interesting. And she also gave me a fragrance sample to try. So let's put this box down so that we can continue. So here you go. This is a Louis Vuitton ONTHEGO MM in unpunched leather. So yes, this is what I ended up decided to get as my first Louis Vuitton bag. And something very important that I like to share with you is when you pick up your order from your online order, make sure you open up the box and look at it at the store. Make sure it is something you like. Make sure the quality is perfect, or at least a quality that's good enough that you don't regret taking it home. Because to be honest, personally, I don't do a lot of returns, and I think it will be even more challenging to want to return something at Louis Vuitton. So this wasn't the bag in the box that when I went to pick up. When she showed me the bag that I supposed to pick up, one side of it already kind of had this curl that already, it just wasn't in the perfect shape that is a good structure. It was already like, I just felt like, I just really questioned the quality of it when I look at the bag. I mean, I didn't ask her that, but I just asked her that if that's normal. And I also noticed on the top of the bag, there's a gap between the leather, like it start to peel open or something. But I didn't point that out because once I asked her about that, she was really nice and she said, let me go look at the bag, see if they have other on the go that will looks better or something. So and she brought this one out, and we did see a couple of white specks on it, and she was able to clean it up, and then I looked through it, and I'm happy with what I get. And yeah, so this is the inside of it. It's a microswave fiber that feel really nice inside, and it has this two shoulder strap that you can carry comfortably on your shoulder. So yeah, this is my experience buying at Louis Vuitton for the first time. So I hope you enjoy this video or learn something from my experience, and I hope you have better luck at the store, and thanks for watching.